It's just, we need the snow, but we don't need the ice. The ice just doesn't give enough moisture for us. Snow does. And where we got a coat of ice, it only takes one day of the sun to come out and it's all gone. So it's not enough. We need snow, not ice. And they feel that they're unstoppable. And just because they have a big vehicle that can go through ice and snow and not slip and slide at all. Of course, in Colorado, this is their economy. The more snow they have, the more money they make. Yeah. They come from all over the world to go skiing in Colorado. They come to America, they go to Colorado.